Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling prerequisites you can actually procure. First, acquire a high-energy capacitor bank and a superconducting coil rated for strong magnetic flux. These create the field gradients you need. Once done, install a quantum clock module for precise temporal reference because accurate timing anchors the process. Make sure to set up a controlled environment, Faraday cage, vibration isolation, and tight thermal regulation. This prevents noise from collapsing delicate quantum states and moves you into actionable setup immediately. Now you build and tune the field. Wind the superconducting coils in a toroidal geometry and connect to the capacitor bank. This shapes closed magnetic flux lines. Then apply calibrated pulse sequences, short 0. 5 to 2 millisecond bursts at controlled repetition rates to induce transient curvature effects. While pulsing, run a feedback loop using a phase detector and PID controller so the system stays on resonance. Monitor everything with real-time logging at 1 kHz to spot instabilities before they cascade. Finish by validating performance through incremental tests. You begin with a low-power trial run and record baseline telemetry for 10 to 30 minutes to establish normal behavior. Once stable, scale power in 10% steps while watching for harmonic signatures, overheating hotspots, or any timing drift in the quantum clock. If things go wrong, immediately roll back to the last stable configuration, check insulation and connectors, and recalibrate the PID feedback. That single troubleshooting tip often restores stability without complex repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.